Do you know that the most underrated fat loss exercise is actually free? Everybody thinks that they need intense workout to lose some weight. But honestly, one of the best things you can do for yourself is to walk. Besties, walk. Take a walk. Wake up in the morning, decide how many miles you just want to walk. You're not running, you're not jogging, you are just walking. It's one of the best things you can do for yourself. Walking improves your digestion, your stress level, your blood sugar, your heart health, and calorie burn. Besties. I don't know if you've heard this before, but it does that. So basically, you don't need to, do all those strenuous workout sessions in the gym because you are trying to lose weight. It's a strenuous activities, but if you feel the need to do it, like you want to do it, that's on you. Like it's your choice and it's okay. But I'm here to tell some other persons that simple walk can also be more helpful. Remember, we always try to keep it simple on this platform. Simple habits actually works when you do them consistently. I mean, we make it easier here, right? See you in my next one.